kinds of operations, such as sewing, dividing, filling, removing, locking and exhaling, are carried out automatically at the same time. Automatic counting machine, counting accuracy of 99.5%. Wide range of application: ordinary cover, with protective ring cover, double cover and other plastic cover. The belt is covered with elastic pressure, and the label is flattened without folds. Automatically eliminate cartons with missing packaging and instructions. The process is mainly divided into 4 parts: forming, heat sealing, creasing and punching. The operation process is simple and easy to maintain and repair. Commonly used for packaging capsules, tablets, suppositories, milk tablets, etc., with a wide range of applications. Adapt to a variety of specifications of the product packaging. Has a strong adaptability. With high degree of automation, packaging accuracy and other advantages. Applicable to a variety of industries.